This week on Ham Radio Adventure Guy, your one stop for everything adventure radio.
Kilo 4, Lima, India.
Kilo 4, Lima, India, 5 and 9, 1029. Hold for the second.
Second up, Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Victor Delta, 5-9.
USF, I'll tell you, 5-9, thank you.
Thanks a lot, buddy. 73, QRZ. November 8, really cold lasagna, 5 and 8 into 1029 for both ops. QSL. Roger, Roger. Thanks for all 7 and thanks for hunting. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Tango.
Kilo 4, oh, ta-ta, 5 and 9, both ops, buddy.
5 and 9, both y'all have fun. Stay safe, stay free.
Thanks a lot, buddy. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ. November 4, Crazy Wingnut Bravo, 5 and 9, Craig, both ops.
5-5, let's go out.
Thanks a lot, buddy. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ. Kilo Delta 9, Uniform Victor, Kilo, and Ice 5 and 9 signal. Both ops, QSL, Dad.
Kilo Echo 4, Zulu, Uniform November.
Kilo Echo 4, Zulu Uniform November, 5 and 9 into 1029, and hold for the second op, James.
Second up, Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Victor Delta, 5-9.
Thank you so much. K4, Z-West.
Thanks a lot, buddy. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ.
Kilo 4, Sugar, Japan Radio.
Kilo 4, Sugar Japan Radio, 5 and 9 into 1029 for both ops, QSL.
QSL, I got you 5-9 golf alpha. Thanks, James. I'm sorry.
There's only 2 of us. Second op is Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Victor Delta, QSL.
QSL, got you both.
Thanks a lot, buddy. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ.
Kilo Quebec 4, Golf Tango Hotel.
Kilo Quebec 4, Golf Tango Hotel, 5 and 9 into 1029, and hold for the second op.
Second up, Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Victor Delta, 5-9.
5-9 in Tennessee, over.
Thanks for Tennessee, and thanks for hunting, buddy. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ.
November, Park, 84, WLE.
The park.
Kilowatt Echo 4, Whiskey Lima Echo. You are 5-9 into US 9498.
Copy to 9498. You are 5 and 9, 5 and 9 into US 1029, and I got a second operator for you, QSL.
QSL, go second op.
Second up is Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Victor Delta. I have you 5-9 into 1029.
Okay, QSL, Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Victor Delta, 5-9 into 9498. I copy your 5-9 to US 1029. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for the park, buddy, and you have a great activation today. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ.
November 8, Tango, Sierra.
The November whiskey. Nothing hurt, QRZ.
November 8, Tango, Sierra Uniform.
November 8, Tango Sierra Uniform, 5 and 9, 1029 for both operators, QSL.
QSL, 5-9, Oscar Hotel, appreciate you.
Thanks a lot, buddy. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ.
Alpha Delta 9, Whiskey Mike.
Alpha Delta 9, Whiskey Mike, 5 and 9 into 1029 for both operators, QSL. Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ.
Kilo November 4, Charlie Oscar Echo, Park to Park.
Kilo November 4, Charlie Oscar Echo, Park to Park. You are 5 and 9, 5 and 9 into US 1029, and after your park number, I got a second operator for you, Michael.
Yeah, I got you both there. I got a Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, Kilo Echo 8, Yankee Victor Delta, and I'm in US 1261 Kentucky, 5-9 Norway.
Copy to 1261 Kentucky. Hey, thank you very much for the park to park, and you have a great activation, bud.
All right, thank you.
73, this is Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ. Kilo November 4, Victor Kilo Whiskey, 5 and 9, both operators, 1029.
5 and 9, Tennessee, all 3, thanks.
Hey, thanks for all 3, and thanks for hunting, buddy. 73, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, QRZ. Kilo Delta 9, Delta Zulu Tango, 5 and 9, Matt, 1029 for both operators, QSL. Hey, Roger, Roger, buddy. I'll be coming through Wisconsin later this week coming up. Thanks a lot in 73, Kilo Echo 8. If you like this video from Ham Radio Adventure Guy, click up here in the corner and watch another one. And while you're at it, click down here in the corner and subscribe. Make sure and follow us on all social media sites. And as always, thanks for sharing my adventure with me.